Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to show you now that we are loading
Let's
a
watch.
refrigerator truck onto a low bed.
Okay.
This truck has to be transported and being shipped to Africa.
Okay.
There is also another truck which was already loaded before. It's a head truck to Nigeria. The refrigerator truck is going to be shipped to Angola, to the port of Luanda. A refrigerator truck means a truck which has insulated cargo area and a refrigeration unit
Okay.
to
It's
keep
now gone.
quality
It's now already on the
goods
low bed.
at controlled temperature, such as food, pharmaceuticals or medicals and other fresh or frozen products. You can also transport fruits and also
It's now
vegetables
loaded.
with it. Yes.
It's now loaded.
We have
Now it's
different kinds
finished.
of trucks
So
in
the next thing
Germany
is just to
which are ready
tie
to
it
be shipped
safely
any
on the
country
low
as
bed
you want.
and drive it.
So
Thank you very much for
this is how
watching.
we do
Gizao
it.
Auto Export Service Germany.
MAN truck is being loaded on a low bed truck and then will be shipped from the port of Antwerp. If you have any questions, please get back to us. Thank you so much. Gizao Auto Export Service.